The Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 5.0 is here to support those who are ready to rise above the barriers. This is more than a competition. It's a movement, a chance to access the mentorship, resources and support you need to make your impact bigger, to take what you've started and scale it to new heights. This challenge, launched by the government of Meghalaya, is designed to support innovative businesses and early-stage enterprises. It's more than just a competition, it's a platform that offers mentorship, funding, and resources through Prime's 9th-month incubation program. If you're a resident of Meghalaya with an existing business and are ready to scale, this is your chance. The top 75 will receive business support grants, with the top 35 receiving 2 lakhs and the top 40 earning 1 lakh to fuel their growth. You'll also get access to incubation programs, networking opportunities with successful entrepreneurs, and a suite of essential startup tools. In addition, you'll benefit from one-on-one mentoring with seasoned professionals, boot camps to sharpen your skills, and access to funding, market connections, and co-working spaces in Shillong and Tura. It's time to go beyond dreaming. The future is yours to shape.
Your moment is here.
Your moment is here.
Your moment is here.
Kani ka jing Plie ya ke Surok athem yo Mawlong kalong Hadien ro Snem na do baglami ka huri hura kani ka jaka. Ya kani ke Surok lakhang mentala ro Snem shiteng na do baglami ka jing kanat bar ka huri hura ka balap nong ki patba bandawa bare ban pen kri ano sisendon ki brio ki besong basa bean athem metor. Hadien ba ka Sorkar jela kalapan bana bag kan Plie no kani ke Surok kladon ka jing persya bare ban Plie kani ke Surok Hadien berada ban kerja aswa ye ke besong basa hagani ka jaka shkoi pa ka jaka. Hapadeng kajing persya ka Sorkar kelap pleno agani ka Surok kanang bagi kali ki bona them yo Mawlong kini oban mi syabi mola. Bad la perking pada kajing pahara lagi pudet agani ka than. Ka Deputy Commissioner ka District East Khasi Hills sa kajing mi kajing permenapat ba hakalai potret Risau mentaga Snem Harijan Arpusau. Kalapan bana ban ple biang no yang ka Surok ha them metor bayaki kali ansya banyak nadok kapor prab jimen step hadok kapor sau bajijan mir.